Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to find deleted contacts on iPhone. Losing your iPhone contacts can be a real pain. Sadly, iPhone don't have a simple button to bring back those lost contacts, like how you can get back photos you have deleted. But don't worry, we have some good news. You can restore your deleted contacts. In this video we will cover if it's possible to recover deleted contacts on an iPhone, how to recover those missing contacts, and some devices on keeping your contacts safe in the future. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restore contacts on your iPhone using iCloud backup. For this, open a web browser on your iPhone and head to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple ID and password. Once you are in, go to the bottom of the screen and then tap Data Recovery. Tap on it. Then keep scrolling until you see Restore Contacts and tap on it. If you delete your contacts, you will see a list of contacts backups by data. Tap Restore next to the data. If you just deleted a contact from iCloud.com or your device and want it back, it might take up to 24 hours to show up in the archive. And you are done. Next, recover contacts using iCloud on your iPhone. Your contacts usually sync up with your iCloud automatically. You can simply turn this sync feature off and on again in your settings to get your contacts back onto your iPhone. For this, go to Settings and then tap on your name at the top. Next, choose iCloud and then tap on Show All. Next, scroll down and flip the switch next to Contacts to turn it on. A prompt will appear, then select Merge. After waiting a bit, you should see your deleted contacts appear back on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is restore contacts on your iPhone through email. If the contacts you can't find anymore were also in your email, you can easily add them back to your iPhone. You can sync your contacts right from the settings on your iPhone. For this, go to your settings. Next, scroll down and go to Mail option. Tap on it. Next, tap on Accounts. Next, choose the email account where your missing contacts were saved. Look for the contact option and ensure it's turned on. After doing this, when you check your phone or contacts app, you will find your email contacts are back in your list and you are done. And the next step is recover contacts on your iPhone with iOS backup. This method will completely reset your iPhone and bring back all data from the backup, not just your contacts. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. You will see a warning that this will delete all your apps and data. Remove your Apple ID and turn off Find My iPhone. If you're okay with this, tap Continue and then tap on Erase iPhone. When asked, type in your passcode, then choose to reset all settings. After your iPhone restart, follow the instruction on the screen until you reach the apps and data screen and then choose Restore from iOS backup. Stay connected to Wi-Fi the whole time. This will bring your contacts along with other data from the backup and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of find deleted contacts on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.